I'm going to tell you about a dental organization you have never heard of, a dental meeting you did not know existed, and an opportunity to change your practice in such a way that patients seek out what you can provide and want your care regardless of insurance. You will gain the ability to perform complex dentistry and make it look easy. You will practice with excellent ergonomics so you don't ruin your back and your neck and practice in pain for most of your career. And we will put you in full control of your practice future, your life. That's a pretty tall order and a very big promise. You bet. This is Dr. Randy Shoup, and I am a member of the Board of Directors and the Program Chairman for the Academy of Microscope Enhanced Dentistry's annual meeting, October 22 through 24 in Chicago, Illinois at the Blackstone Hotel. We have assembled an international lineup of the finest dentists in the world and charged them with the responsibility of bringing to you the future of dentistry. What materials, equipment, techniques, and strategies you will need to know, not just to survive, but to thrive and prosper. We have, for example, Dr. Rick Myron and his PRF, that's platelet-rich fibrin techniques. We have Dr. Ali Sadr with Science of Composites. We have Drs. Kayat and Giovanni, the hottest endodontists and authors from France in microsurgical endo and the current #1 best-selling book from Quintessence. We have Dr. Matt Najad on indirect posterior ceramic restorations. We have Drs. Ortiz and Zapata on life-saving ergonomics. How about Drs. Kotka and Van Az with cutting-edge lasers for hard and soft tissues? We will have 9 different hands-on workshops for you to pick from. This will become your #1 don't miss meeting. Go to www.microscopedentistry.org to register. On behalf of the entire AMED family, I'll see you there.